What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. I just wanted to do another quick update, taking a look at XRP. Man, it's been weird. I feel like it's just waiting to just explode. And just with all the news surrounding it and all of the big time traders saying how bullish they are on XRP, it's unbelievable something hasn't happened yet. But I want to take a look at this. We have all of the major golden crosses, right? And this, I know some people were calling it a symmetrical triangle. They were connecting it somewhere up here. I don't agree with it. I think this support is just being held up too nicely right here to be considered a symmetrical triangle. You see like how this is really, it's trying to bounce off of the support. You know, and if this wasn't an ascending triangle and if it was a symmetrical triangle, then I don't know. I don't know. I just don't see this being a symmetrical triangle. However, this does not mean that it is impossible for this to break through and then finish out this pattern, right? Could have just been a false breakout. However, it is good that we are closing above this support level right here. That's really good. So when is XRP going to finally start making some legitimate moves? We started Saturday, got up to 50, almost 51 cents. But we're seeing these other coins pop, and you know, it's just, and we see Bitcoin just going on tears. Look at Bitcoin. It hit 11,400 something today. It's unbelievable. But I will say, I think Bitcoin is running out of a little bit of steam. That doesn't mean it's going to pull back significantly going to a bear market, but it's going to have to take a break soon. And this is the main reason I wanted to make a video. Is I never look at the XRP BTC chart, but I'm going to go full screen. But this was super interesting to me. Just the idea that, one, look how oversold XRP to BTC has been. And I'm sure this is similar to many of the alts, right? Very oversold. And we're below 30 right now. We're right about 26, 27, which is still pretty significantly oversold on the daily. Now, I want to do a quick, just a really quick count on this end wave. Now, if this was a five-wave ending, an ending five-wave structure, we could potentially, I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could potentially be, no, I don't want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could potentially be, something like 1, 2, 3, a major third wave, 4, and this is where it's really interesting. This E right here, the last wave. Now, we've seen this section hold up quite nicely. It poked through here, right? But even before, the support was pretty strong. And when it did poke, it was only below 16 October to, a couple months. But then ever since, we've been above it. And we tried to touch down here as well. But if you look here, this wave being so long, this third wave, whether this is the first or this is the first, I'll just show you. This third wave being so ridiculously long, let's just go split the difference here. Right here. It could definitely take out a lot of the strength in this last fifth wave of this five-wave structure. And if that's the case, there's a very good chance that this here could truncate. This could be a truncated fifth wave right here. We're oversold pretty significantly. And let's say we do bounce here off of support that has shown some strength in the past. Then a truncated fifth is indicative of some pretty bullish tendencies, or just strength, I guess. And then if that's the case, on the RSI, we will have seen a higher low forming, because if it truncates here and then we start seeing a reversal, this is not going to reach down any lower than this. I mean, because this is 13 RSI anyway. So we could start seeing something like this. And now this is sort of predictive. I'm not looking at anything too in depth here, so a lot of this could change. But it's significant because where we are with Bitcoin right now, and I never want to bet against Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has been going on an insane run, and it has to take a breather at some point. Even if it's just for, a week, get a really good, really healthy correction so that it can continue moving forward towards the middle to end of the year. And if that's the case, then XRP looks like it's pretty primed and ready to just bounce off of this support and then just have this RSI go through the roof once again. And that could definitely be a possibility. But, let me go back. Another possibility is that it's bounced off once, twice, and the third time, there could just be too much supply, too many sellers, and we just break through the support and it's just... So it really depends on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin corrects pretty significantly, then we're not going to have to worry about that. And also, I'm sort of predicting there are going to be some, or at least expecting, some pretty good announcements fundamentally from the Ripple team in regards to XRP. And I'm just really hoping that we just, we can sit here for a couple days, and I just really hope we can bounce off of this. Get the RSI higher than this one here. Make a higher high, not higher than this, but at least higher than that. And keep this RSI no lower than 46. Because in a lot of the bull markets, it's not reaching lower than 50. So those are some pretty important things. And I am personally bullish, but I'm also a moron. So don't take any of this as financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm more so doing it because if I'm right, it was a good call, right? But I'm still holding my XRP. I still hold some Bitcoin. And I'm expecting some moves from XRP, as pretty much everyone is. So it's nothing too crazy of news from me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe if you enjoyed. And we'll see you next time.